welcome to lesson 143. You will need your add and subtract 4-digit number paper. You're going to do great with this. We're just going to review where we start, how to borrow, what we borrow from, so that way you can get started on this right away, because I know you're going to do great. Okay, so let's review. It's going to be good. It's not too hard because we're just adding another digit, another section. You already know how to add and subtract 3-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers. So this is just adding another digit. So we're going to review it so we don't get confused of what goes where we borrow from, where we add to. Okay, here we go. All right. So I started up here by dividing into thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And we are going to do an addition problem. And we're going to add, up a little bit, 2 different 4-digit numbers. And we're going to figure out if we can get the answer. Okay? So let's just start out with 2,346. Oh, and by the way, this is page number 289 and 290. I don't know if I said that. Okay? All right, and let's add it to 2,102. Now let's review. Where do we start? This looks really big, right? And we're adding over here, but just take it step by step. Where do we start when we're adding? Do we start over here with the thousands? Because that's where we started when we were trying to decide greatest, least, and equal to, but we don't, do we? Always, always, always when we add or subtract 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit numbers, we always start in the ones place. Always, always, always. Because if you have to borrow when you're subtracting, or if you have to carry when you're adding, if you don't start in the one spot, it'll completely mess the problem up and you will get it wrong. Okay? So remember, ones spot. So let's start. 6 plus 2 more is 8, right? 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 1 more is 4. And 2 plus 2, 4. That's a lot of 4s. What number is this? 4,448. Okay, that one was easy, right? Let's see if we can get some tougher ones in here to kind of help you understand what we're doing when we're carrying or borrowing. Okay, let me erase this. I'll leave my sections up here to make it easier. Let's say we were going to add a 2-digit number and we had to do some carrying. Okay, let's look at that. We're going to add again. I'm going to circle that so you can see it. Okay, but let's practice adding one where you have to carry. All right, so let's do 6,204 plus 2,910. Okay, well, where are we going to start? 4 plus 0, 4, right? And always double check your sign. I'm adding, right? 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 9, well, remember, you can think the big number in your head and add 2 more, 9, 10, 11. But I can't just write an 11 here. I have to write my 1, carry my other 1. So now I have, let's carry it up here so we can tell. 6 and 1 more is 7, plus 2 more, 9. So what's my answer? 9,114. Okay. Now, let's do some subtraction problems, so we're not forgetting how to do that. Okay, let's see. Let's first do one that maybe we won't have to carry with, and then we'll get to some we might have to do some carrying with here in a few minutes. Okay. let's look at this number. 5,473. And we're going to take away, I want to take away 2,106. Now remember, when we're taking away, that bigger number better be on top. And it is. It's a 5,000 and we're taking away a 2,000 from it. So it's bigger. So let's look here. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute. There's something I can't do here. What is that? I have 3. But can I take away 6? No, I can't. So I guess we are going to do one where we have to borrow right away, aren't we? So let's look. I have 3. I can't take 6 away. So I have to borrow. But where am I going to borrow from? Remember, you always borrow from the next digit up. You don't jump way up here, right? That wouldn't work. So I have to take a tens away. That's going to make that 6. And I'm going to throw it over here. If I throw all 10 of them over here, it's going to make that 3 a 13, right? So now I can take it away. 13, take away 6. Think that 13 in your head if you're not sure. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Now we have 6. Take away 0. Well, it's still 6, isn't it? 4. Can I take 1 away? I sure can. That gives me 3. I have 5. Can I take 2 away? I sure can. That gives me 3 as well. So what's my answer? 3,367. Okay? Remember, when you're borrowing, always borrow from the next digit over. Okay? Now let's review something else up here. What if it's written differently? What if they wrote it instead of up and down, right? If they wrote it horizontally, what if they gave you 8,000 and they wanted you to take away 1,000 and find out what that equals? Remember, start with the ones, 0, and I'm going to write the answer down here so you can see it better. 0 take away 0, 0, 0 take away 0, 0, 0 take away 0, 0, right? 8, you have 8. Can you take 1 away? You can. Gives you 7, doesn't it? So we got 7,000, and that should be written right there, but I didn't have enough room. So 8,000 minus 1,000 equals 7,000. Okay? And I just wanted to review all of that with you on your worksheet. I think you guys will do good. If you have questions, let me know. I just kind of ran through that one because it's kind of a review because you've subtracted 3-digit numbers. You're just adding in another one. So you're going to solve. You're going to do some adding, some subtracting. Really look at those signs. Adding, subtracting, a story problem. And then they want you to review fractions from last chapter at the bottom, which you guys did phenomenal with. Those papers I had checked, you did really well with fractions. I was very proud of you. So that's all for this lesson. I'll see you guys later. Bye.